Hey, it's Tony talking Car Biz. Here's a quick unboxing of a product that I picked up just recently for my iPhone. So as part of the Autos on video program, you use your iPhone to merchandise inventory. But sometimes the spaces are too small, meaning you don't have enough room in your facility to be able to get around the car, walk around the car. So you need to add a wide angle lens. And I've tested and tried many of them. The latest lens that I'm working with is this one here, and this one is called a Z-Prime Lens, and it's provided or made by a company called Zytlus, and it's a really good quality lens, really a solid build. This is your lens cap that comes off, but it's a wide angle lens that fits right onto the iPhone using the revolver case by Zytlus. So you need this adapter, which they include, and you just put your lens in like so, and then you drop it into your iPhone like that, and you've got a wide angle lens to be able to get into those tight spaces. And this is a 16 millimeter lens. So it's worked pretty well, but one of the things that I noticed about it is it picks up lens flares. So when I'm doing a video, the sun will just strike the lens at an odd angle and kind of wash out part of the video. And so I wanted to try to find some filters to try to minimize lens flares. And lo and behold, about a couple weeks back, Zytlus came out with the Z-Prime graduated filters. I searched all over online to find filters that would fit this lens. And of course, I couldn't find any. They're proprietary for the Z-Prime. So I just picked up these lenses, and it's a 4-lens kit. So it has a graduated filter, neutral density, a sunset, a blue sky, polarizer, and a pouch, all in this one package. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Pull them out of there. And a little bit of information card on the inside, but that's the name of the company. I'll put a link in the description below. And here's the pouch with the lenses or the filters, and it's like a new neoprene pouch, so a good quality pouch. And like I said, it comes with 4 filters, and they're all in these little Ziploc bags. So there's your Z-Prime, the blue filter. Don't know if you can see it. I'm inclined to think that might be the one I'll probably use the most. So that's your blue filter. And here is the sunset filter, which is kind of an orange type of a filter. I don't know if you can see that there. And then we have, I think this is the circular polarizer. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, this is a circular polarizer. So this is that lens that can get rid of the reflections on the glass of the car when walking around and doing a video. And then in this one, let's go ahead and set that pouch aside. And this one is the neutral density filter. So there's 4 filters in this one package, and I'm going to experiment with all of them, do videos with each one to see what the effect. But the idea is these filters are going to be able to screw directly onto the Z-Prime lens. So they're made to specifically go on here. And they should line up at the top. So if it's a graduated filter like this one here or this one here, generally you want the blue sky toward the top. But you can see it just slides right on like that, and then you can go ahead and collect your videos. So that's a quick unboxing of the Zytlus Z-Prime graduated filter and circular polarizer filter setup, and I'm anxious to get out and give it a try. I'll use the same car, and I'll do four different videos using the 4 different lenses to give you an example of how well it works. So stay tuned. We'll get that done shortly. This is Tony talking Car Biz. Thanks for watching.